Hi everyone, welcome to the Passion for Purple collaboration hosted by MetalScrappinChic, who is Kim. Hi Kim. I rejoined this year I didn't start in January. I can't remember if I started February or March. But anyway, here I am in April. So I have set aside, I pulled stuff out of my normal stash areas and put them in a container for just purple. So I want to use them first. But one of the things I'm trying to do is use up some of my bead boxes, both the Bargain Bead Box and also the Soft Flex kits that I get. So I had used quite a lot from Amethyst Elegance for the Pirate Pretties challenge in February, but also I did some other pieces, but I still had some things left and I wanted to use them. Now, some people put them back in with their other stash. I don't do that. I keep all my stuff in these little bags in a shoebox. I try to get them in order by the month or whatever, and the color of the bag usually tells me roughly what color is going to be in it. But if I need a certain metal type or color bead, I can usually look at the bag and say I remember what that was and go and use it if I have things left. Sometimes I only have a little bit left and I can mix it with other stuff, and that's good too. But I have so many other beads that aren't in kits that I tend to keep the kits separate. So anyway, alright, so what I started with was this necklace. These are both 16-inch extendable to 18-inch. I had 16 inches of chain left from the kit, the Rolo chain. And everything here except for these two beads and actually the shell bead, the shell pearls, they were not in the kit. I added them and they were Bargain Bead Box bargains. I finished them. They had been used before, probably for one of those other collabs too. Okay, these are 10mm crystal coin beads, also from Bead Box bargains from 2021, April, so a year ago. Oops. And then the shell pearls were also Bead Box bargains from, I don't know, more recent, but still around the same time, actually 2021 probably. Maybe I wrote it on the back. I did. Yeah, 2021, same time frame, maybe same order. So the shell pearls, that's all I had left except for the two on this earring over here. And what I did is I did simple loops this time. I just wasn't feeling the wrapped loops, and I did all these little bead dangles, and I did every other link on the Rolo chain. So when you wear it, some of they bunch together a little more, which I'm okay with. I was sort of going for that look. I had 5 of these crystal dangles left. I only had 2 of these painted beads left in the kit. I actually bought more of those, but they're in my other inventory. I only had 2 of these porcelain beads left. I had a lot of the metallic purple bicones left, so I used them all. And I had some of these flatter faceted rondelles left. I think this was the last one. I set these aside after I did all the other pieces. I had them left, this one too, and then I made the bead dangle for the extender chain. The extender chain piece is from BB Craft. It came in a box of different metal extender pieces. So that's the first one that I made. And then I set apart these pieces to do the earrings, but I actually made the earrings last. I have this pair. Let me see if that's on backwards or it's on forwards. I was just holding it wrong. Yeah, they do spin around a little bit. So we had 4 of these cutouts and I hadn't used them, so I used them on 2 pair of earrings. Again, the shell pearl from my own stash from Bead Box bargains, and then the bead caps and the bicones from the kit. The ear wires were from Fire Mountain. Yeah, so those came out cute. And then I had 2 more of these coins in my stash, and I paired them also with those. Now see, I have, oops, that's because the jump ring got twisted there. I think that's right. That one I might have to fix. It looks like it's spinning backwards, but anyway, you get the idea. So these are actually like a flat coin bead. I think I have them going the loops going the wrong direction on that one. Anyway, and then I paired them again with the bicones. And I did use my own eye pins too. I think I held them up before and they were right, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. But anyway. Okay, and then, so this, well, then I did these bracelets. Actually, what I did is I laid out this necklace and these two bracelets. I had just enough beads to do these. These are those etched chevron beads, the little silver flat coins, more of the bicones. And these are bicones, the flat purple beads. I think I only had 5 of those left. Let's see. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 5 of those. The roundels like this. And then the thing was, neither one was long enough. So I had 2 more of these links with the birds that I had used for Pirate Pretty's challenge in February. And so I used them up. They were also from Bead Box Bargain, 20 by 36 oval link. I had bought them in 2018. So I used them up, but this time I used a tiny little magnetic clasp here hooked to the link with an oval jump ring, and it makes it so much easier to put it on because it just finds each other. And there you go. And then here I crimped it right onto the other side. So that is how that looks. You could wear it this way. And I did use, I have a forming plier with a, I want to call it rubber, but it's not rubber, like a plastic end, but it's domed. And it is a bracelet shaping plier. And I just curved these a little bit so that they lay on your wrist a little bit because they were perfectly flat. You could actually add color to them also if you wanted to. That light is very bright. Let's see. So, and then to get it off, just yank. Oops, except it wants to stick to everything else is the only thing. And they're pretty strong. Those little clasps I had gotten from Beadaholic years ago, but you can probably find them at different stores. The lobster clasps were from my stash, and they were also Bead Box Bargains. I already told you that this chain is from BB Craft. And then this necklace here is all those little glass beads. What did they call them? I had a ton of those left. And I had some of the little tiny faceted amethyst left. Where are they? Glass. That's 6mm glass round beads, but they're not perfect rounds. Slate/blue purple iris. So I did in sections of 5. I only had 2 more of those silver metal coin beads. So I actually went back to an older Bargain Bead Box from July 2021. I had, I think, I don't remember exactly how many, but I had some of these little silver metal 4mm steel spacer beads, and I used them all up, however many. I used them on here, and I think that's it. I don't think I used any on the bracelets. Yeah, so this is strung on Soft Flex's Econoflex, which is only 7 strand, but I figured that was okay because these are not really heavy duty beads. It is a medium, 0.019. It says test strength 20 pounds. It's a little stiffer than what I like. And then the bracelets, I had exactly 8 inches left of this Pro Econoflex. This is 49 strand, much softer and more supple. And I actually cut 2 feet. I kind of measure how long it's going to be based on how I lay the beads out, and I cut extra, but I had 8 inches extra, so I used them on the bracelets, but honestly that's not enough for a longer bracelet, and I didn't, but it was perfect for these because they're shorter without the link in there. Now one of these, I think this one is a 7 to 7¼ inch, and this one is 6 3/4 to 7 inch, because I have a 6 3/4 inch wrist, and that's the one I tried on for you. And it's a tiny bit loose on me, so it would snugly fit a 7-inch wrist. So yeah, I finished the Bargain Bead Box for February 22, and I used some more parts out of July 2021, which is almost gone. There was something else in there I used too. Oh, some jump rings. These jump rings back here, I think, were from that kit too. And this is I'm lacking in enough of the right type of solid jump rings now in silver. That said, I think I recently bought some, but I have a pile of shame on my floor, which is I put stuff into my inventory system and now it's all sitting there waiting to be put away in their respective places. Yeah, so I have to do that soon, after tax time is done and Easter is done. So, and I had this left. I was originally thinking just put that on chain, but I kind of like how it is on here. And that's it. That's what I made for Passion for Purple. I don't want this to be too long, so I hope you enjoyed that. This is not laying right. And another option would have been to make this a, what do they call those? Where they're all bunched together. But I kind of like this. The pearls either lay in front or in back of the other beads, and it just lays nice when you have it on. So, and there are 5, get over there, 5 of these drops. Crystals, painted, and ceramic. So that's what I did. I hope you like it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I hope the sound is okay. If it's not, please don't criticize too much. I'm probably going to get a separate microphone, because I guess the sound from my webcam is going to, or my camera, or my laptop, I don't know. I've been having issues. My headphones sort of half died on me. So it's just been a mess, and my phone is being icky as far as the storage, even though I cleaned it out. So I can edit a video, but I can't seem to get it off my phone to YouTube. So I'm back to my webcam again until I get that figured out, which won't be this week. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please be sure to check out Kim and all the other participants. That'll be linked down below. And I have another collab going up also on the 15th. I don't remember what time. I think this one goes up at noon Eastern, and I don't remember the time on the other one. I think it's any time. So we'll see. All right, talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.